Thutha wa wetereri na githagathago kia ihinda iraya kiria gikoretwo githiururukiirio cebi wa Maratathi ma giturwa kia president leo ithithi no itheuke thutha wa Maratathi mamwe gukinya guku bururi-ini utuko wa ira. Akiamukira Maratathi macio muikariri wa kamiti ya IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni ahithuritie ati Maratathi maria marakinyire guku bururi-ini ni ma kaunti 30, akihithuria ati kambuni ya gukinya iracabire Maratathi milioni 20,900 kuria macio mangi magukorwo magikinya guku bururi-ini hwai-ini wa umuthi.
So just want to assure the country that we are ready to give Kenyans a credible election on the 8th of August this year. The materials are here now. People should stop rumors and speculations. There have been rumors about the extra ballot papers. Every piece of ballot paper will be accounted for. Before starting to vote, all the ballot papers will be recorded in the polling day diary of the day. And after voting, the ballot papers used and the ones unused must be accounted for.
Mweri-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa kamiti yo Ezra Chiloba augite me maitho gutigire Maratathi mothe ni mahuthika na njira iria yagireire.
You have to ensure that ballot papers are for specific areas so it's easier for you to dispatch them. So in as far as we are now, we cannot give you the details. We're still waiting for the manifest report. We'll be able to tell you exactly tomorrow which specific counties have we received. And as we said, by August 2nd, that is on Wednesday, we should be able to have the entire ballot papers for all the counties.
Ica ikuhi amwe ahuraniria ya giturwa kia president ni marakoretwo magitetie kamiti ya IEBC makiuga ni amaire mayo igicabithia Maratathi macio thutha wa igoti ria gucokia cira riko guteaniria cira wa igoti nene wa kurugamia cebi wa Maratathi macio thutha wa muungano wa NASA kumathitanga. Oho kwitukira ndumiriri kuma kwi Chebukati gutigukorwo na mathenyoro mothe mihango-ini ya githurano kurumirira gikuo kia murugamiriri munene wa ICT Chris Msado akiuga mibango yothe ni haririkite wega. Gukinya kwa Maratathi ma giturwa kia president guku bururi-ini ni kionereria kiega ati bururi-ini withagathagite wega gukorwo kirika ndebe-ini tariki 8 mweri wa kanana. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ndi kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta, njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.